Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, the defeatists, the perennial critics, the unemployed and unemployable armchair critics, the self-proclaimed experts on India-China relations should go into deep introspection tonight. They should dive into it. Tonight, every lie they uttered, every doubt they raised, every spin they gave, every tweet they put out on the LAC face-off has been pulverized by the diplomatic masterstroke. So China pulls back, the lobby is into a corner. It's sulking once again. Will they ever learn? Let's debate.
When 20 of our brave hearts laid down their lives protecting every inch of our territory, they insulted their sacrifice by latching on to the surrender narrative.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपको सच बोलना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आप कहेंगे कि जमीन नहीं गई और सचमुच में जमीन गई है, तो चाइना का फायदा होगा.
When our diplomats were engaged in hard talk with the Chinese, they criticized by saying India is in a state of denial. When the Prime Minister dashed down to Ladakh to boost the morale of our forces,
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे,
they spread a malicious campaign questioning the medical facilities available at the Leh Military Hospital, even forcing the army to come out and issue a strongly worded statement to put an end to their distasteful tirade. And today, despite the massive diplomatic victory, the criticism continues unabated. The perennial critics and Twitter warriors are questioning the modalities of the disengagement process. And some of the so-called experts in India-China relations believe that the de-escalation process could be because of the rise in water levels of the Galwan River. Today, as their defeatist approach fails once again, the lobby should go into deep introspection, because on issues of national security, India is going to move forward with this approach.
लद्दाख से लेकर करगिल और सियाचिन तक, रेजांगला की बर्फीली चोटियां से लेकर गलवान घाटी के ठंडे पानी की धारा तक, हर चोटी, हर पहाड़, हर जर्रा जर्रा, हर कंकड़, पत्थर भारतीय सैनिकों के पराक्रम की गवाही देते हैं.
And only point I will make at the start, and Saira, this is very relevant, is it'll be very useful and instructional today. If I ask specific questions, you can give a specific reply. You don't have to speak over others. I will give you the chance, but you need to reply to the question, okay? Second point is, let's listen and respond to each other. Because what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull out what the lobby said. And then I will put out the present, and then we can have a debate on it. Okay? Is that all right? Agreeable to all? Okay, thank you. The lobby said, Praveen Sahni, a person called Praveen Sahni, I don't know the background, claims to be a defense writer, said, real story. India has accepted China's 1959 claim. Abhijit Iyer Mitra is opening this with Saira. Real story, India has accepted China's 1959 claim as the new LAC. And under this now, the whole of the Galwan Valley henceforth now belongs to China. Where are they now? Saira, what happens to this assertion now? Can you open the debate? What happens to this assertion now after today?
So, who is opening the debate?
You are.
giving me
You
the
are.
privilege
I'm
to open
actually
the
asking
debate?
you to,
Or
yeah.
Abhijit would be opening the debate?
No. You are, because I want to hear a
Okay,
factual
great.
reply from you.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Arnab. I'm honored. See, firstly, Arnab, there are various reports coming in from the Defense Ministry itself that there are various friction points around the LAC where the Chinese are actually putting up their posts and also putting up surveillance cameras that are relaying around the clock footage, to the People's Liberation Army. And that is alarming. And I think it's time we
Your
really
source, please.
need to
Your source, please. You said that
strengthen our borders.
1 minute, 1 minute. Can you just, so that it'll help in the debate. Abhijit is quite well informed on defense issues. And since you said, you used a very generic introduction, you said certain sources in the Ministry of Defense are telling you.
No, they're not telling me. They're not telling me.
Who are they
There
telling?
are reports that have come out
Which
in
report?
various sections of the media.
Which section of the media?
Various sections of
Which
the media.
particular media?
Sorry?
Which media? Which report are you quoting?
No, you go anywhere online.
No, anywhere is a very
Obviously.
generic
So this
thing.
is
I
not
won't go
from
to the
a
surface of the
Congress
moon.
Lobby. Arnab, one
No.
second.
It's always important to quote your source.
I will not be quoting from Op India or any right-wing channel.
No, I'm
However,
asking you to tell
the
me.
The reason you are having this debate today,
I'm asking
you
you.
know fully well that this is being done. The right-wing has given a directive to Republic to dispel all kind
Right-wing
of notions about the Chinese invasion on the LAC. I know you get a political
That's a laugh.
brief. We know that the Republic gets a political brief every week or every day to deflect the attention from the issue at the border.
Yeah,
the point
sure.
is that the LAC, the Chinese are putting up surveillance cameras, okay, that are relaying round the clock
Which
footage
code,
to
which
the
report
People's
are you
Liberation
quoting?
Army, and they are holding, and this is at a time when
No, who
here
are you quoting?
we are supposed to be having disengagement and de-escalation talks. So if we are having de-escalation talks, or if the Chinese have put up,
I don't know what you're talking about,
the
frankly. I mean,
posts,
this is absurd.
The people of India need to be told.
Okay,
How long
Saira,
is the
see,
BJP
I asked you,
going to hide?
place on record. Thank you
I
so
know
much.
elections are
Thank you
coming
so
around
much
the
for your opening
corner,
remarks.
and the BJP
Thank you so
has
much.
failed
Thank you so much.
dismissively
Thank you so
on
much
all
for your
parameters.
opening remarks.
But
And
right now, let's be
thank you.
honest
Thank you. It's
and
all right.
understand
It's all right.
where
It's all
we
right. You
need
don't
to
know your source.
safeguard our frontiers.
You don't have your source. It's all right. It's all right. You don't have your source. It's all right.
No, I know
It's
you're
all
trying
right.
to deflect, Arnab. I know you've got
No,
a
I'm saying it's all
political
right.
brief
You
from the
don't know your
BJP.
source. I'm saying it's all right.
It is a BJP channel. It's understood. It's
No, it's
understood
all
that
right.
you're doing
It's all
this
right. It's all right.
What's
It's
the
all
secret
right.
here?
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I asked
what
you the
about
source.
your
You don't know.
sources when you were
It's all
sharing the
right.
pictures of, that
I also want
satellite
to.
pictures stating
I also
that,
want to. If we
all
can't miss,
is well.
I'd like Abhijit to open the debate on his side. Abhijit on the other side right now, please. Thank you. Abhijit.
Yes, look.
Saira, it's all right. It's no problem.
So
You
that
don't
we
know
are
your source.
high
It's all
alert.
right. It's all right. It's all right.
No,
It's all right.
What is your source?
No, it's all
Arnab?
right. It's all
What is
right.
your source? Op India?
What
Op
is my
India?
source? My source is the
Postcard
joint
News?
statement of
Bharatiya
the
Janata
government
Party
of
IT
India.
cell? The
I don't
trolls
know.
and
My
bots from
source
the
is the
IT
joint
cell. What is
statement of
your
the government
source?
of India
What
and
is
the
your
government
source?
of
The
China,
bots of
duly
the
released this
BJP?
afternoon. That's my
Or
source.
the trolls of the BJP. What is your
That
source?
is my source is the joint statement of the MEA and the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs. That's my source. What's your
So,
source?
Arnab, if we're looking at the lines on the map, there are two Chinese claim lines. The 1959 claim line, and by 61, they extended that claim further west, and that was the 61 claim line where they stopped during the 62 war. Now here's the point.
I
At
can't
no
hear it.
point of time was in all of this was Galwan ever under full Chinese occupation. There is about 5 kilometers till the Galwan turns south before it meets the Shok. That was never under the Chinese. And we have been right there, which these people have been saying, these same credible sources that have been so-called credible sources that have been quoted, which are Congress
it's
Party
got
spokesperson.
it's got,
They have been,
disconnected.
they were first said to be
I can't hear it.
overlooking the Shok on the ridges north and south of Galwan. They were not there. It turned out they were 5 kilometers inside exactly where they were meant to be. Now there is a slight dispute on where exactly that the LAC runs at this particular point called TP14. Either 100 meters north or 100 meters south, depending on which the Chinese are either 100 meters inside our territory or they are not. Irrespective, the point remains that as per government maps, both issued the declassified maps of the CIA from 1962 as well as the Agricultural Survey of India map, the Chinese are absolutely in their territory. Now what is happening is, these people, because throughout the last 2 months, they have never put out a map in public. They have just been saying they are here, they are there without giving any specifics. They have not put out a single satellite image to support their claims. And in fact, they've put out the same satellite images of the people that they were ridiculing as shadowy satellite experts to then buttress their claims, which fell flat on their face. They are now claiming that the LAC was actually 1.5 kilometers behind where they first claimed where it was 1 month back. So now what is happening is, irrespective of what point you look at it from, the Chinese are withdrawing into the Chinese side of the LAC, significantly behind the 1961 claim line. And
I'm sorry, I have a problem with your audio. We'll try and go back to the phone audio in a bit. I'm really sorry. Abhijit, I'm really sorry not to have been able to, to get the full context of what you were saying, because it was just a very bad audio link. Maybe we'll try and get you on a phone audio in a minute. I want to open up to Savio, to Pradeep, to everyone else here today. See, Saira, I did not mean to. I did not mean to upset you by asking you your source. I now open up to Sunit Chopra and to Savio. Thank you. It was just a necessary requirement for me to ask you, and it's all right that you don't know your source. Now Savio is on the debate. Savio is on the debate with Sunit Chopra. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now you said Sunit. See, listen, Sunit. If you had not tried, Sunit Chopra and Savio, please. See, Sunit Chopra. All you have done is spread lies, and more lies. Right. You said, did the Prime Minister's office ask for a hospital ward to be staged with soldiers to fake injury? The army put out a clarification. What was your motivation to spread such fabricated propaganda? No. And the other day, a Latvian journalist claimed that China has issued a casualty breakdown claiming 0 dead and 5 injured.
I did not
with
say
videos,
that.
with videos.
And I'm willing to repeat them right now.
Mr.
today.
Mr. Chopra, may I?
I am willing to repeat those 3 points.
Mr. Chopra, you answer 1 point.
The first is...
No, you don't answer those 3 points. You answer my 1 point. My 1 point. My 1 point. My 1 point, sir. My 1 point, sir. My 1 point to you, sir. My 1 point to you, sir. Mr. Chopra, my 1 point to you, sir. My 1 point to you, sir. Thank you, sir. On 20th June, 4 days after 20 of our soldiers were killed in action, a Latvian self-styled journalist, not a journalist, said, China has given a casualty breakdown claiming 0 dead and 5 injured with videos. What came out was that these videos this Latvian journalist put out were not from 2020, 2019 or 2018, they were from 2017. And the claims of casualties being 0 were busted by the Chinese statement on the clashes. My question was that today I will ask you,
I know that.
Why was one section rooting for the Chinese? Sunit Chopra,
so
tell
the
me.
Point is,
why was one section rooting for the Chinese?
Your first major mistake is to talk of this Latvians lobby. There is no Latvians lobby. And these are
no, that's where you're mistaken, Sunit Chopra.
And
that's where you're mistaken.
Different opinion.
The Latvians lobby keeps on lying continuously.
I am not mistaken. I know very well, Savio.
Are you not proud of the Indian Army? Are you not proud of the work of the Indian Army? Are you not proud? The Indian Army makes an unofficial statement which goes out saying that there were casualties on the China side, but the Latvians lobby says absolutely nothing. They tore the China line, they keep talking the China line, they keep degrading India. Shameful that is. It is absolutely shameful, Sunit Chopra, and you are a part of that Latvian lobby. You are a part of that same Latvian lobby that prefers to shame India and tore China's line. They prefer to shame India and tore China's line. That's the problem.
to tell a
The
lie.
problem is you don't respect
You
the
should
army.
be
The
ashamed
problem
of
is
yourself
you
to
don't
tell a
respect
lie.
India. The problem is you don't know how to
I
respect
respect
the people
Indian
of this
people,
country, the
peasants,
sacrifices of our
agricultural
martyrs,
laborers
the
and the
sacrifices
army.
of our jawans.
And the army
That's
is
your
from
problem.
the peasantry,
That's the problem
whether
with
you
most
like it or
communists.
not.
And that's the problem
So
with
don't
China.
talk
China
rubbish
has
in
not
front
even
of me.
acknowledged.
You're a man
China
who's
has not
talking
even
rubbish and
acknowledged
lies.
the number of
You're a
soldiers
man
that
with
have
no
died.
integrity.
There are
I can
43
say it to your
reported dead
face now.
Chinese soldiers
Because I
and
know
Sunil
over
Chopra.
you're a man
100
with no
injured.
integrity.
So let's not take China's
You're a
side.
man
Take
with
the side
no
of the Indian army.
integrity.
Take the
So
side
don't
of the
tell
Indian
lies
army.
and don't get
Take the
desperate
side of the
and
Indian
don't
army.
behave
Support
as though
the Indian
you're
army for
mad.
its
No,
work.
Sunit Chopra.
It is courageous.
Sunit Chopra, I
It has
request
been
you not to
fighting
start
for
questioning
your
people's
right.
integrity because you are not able to
I don't know
debate
what
with
you're
them.
talking about.
No, Sunit
You're
Chopra,
just
I
lecturing
request you, very
people.
senior, but you don't have to question Savio's integrity.
Please look
If
at
he,
Telegraph newspaper today.
which
I
paper?
question his integrity.
I will look at papers. I don't consider that to be a
You
newspaper.
question my integrity, Sunit Chopra. Who the hell are you? What are you?
That they are
What are
having
you,
taken
Sunit
aback by
Chopra?
the
Are you with the Indian army?
Gaurav Arya and Saira, make your point to Gaurav. 1 minute. Saira, make your point to Gaurav. Yeah, tell her.
The Telegraph, Kolkata, today's newspaper. If you wanted the source, I'm giving you the source. They have clearly said, and Telegraph is a reputed paper. Okay, so I'm not, quoting
No, it's
from
not.
All
No,
India,
it's not.
Postcard News, IT,
Okay,
BJP IT cell.
all right.
I'm quoting
Okay,
from the Telegraph.
okay.
They have said that they have been officials from the
All right.
Defense Ministry
Tyra-
that have clearly said that they
Tyra,
have
can
been
I-
taken
can I,
aback and they're alarmed
okay.
by the Chinese fortifying the
Thank you,
position
Saira.
under the
Thank you, Saira. You have
anti-market
quoted what you had to quote.
line of
Thank you.
actual
Thank you.
control.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, now, Saira, can I respond? Tyra,
Yeah,
can I respond, please, with your
absolutely,
permission?
Yes, of course. Please carry on.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now, this is regarding that newspaper, what's his name? You said that they have
The Telegraph.
certain connections, and those connections or their contacts or their sources in the Ministry of Defense have said that Chinese are putting up cameras, right? And which is a source of concern. Now, did they say where the Chinese are putting up cameras? Are they putting it in their side of the LAC or our side of the LAC? Because if the Chinese
So
are putting up cameras in their place,
line,
then I don't think we should have any problems. Because, just hold on, ma'am. Ma'am, when you were speaking, I did not interrupt, ma'am, when you were speaking.
Okay, carry
I did
on.
not interrupt, ma'am. Please give me the same
Okay,
privilege.
Sure.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, if the Chinese are putting up cameras in their side, they're well within their rights to put up cameras in their side, number one. Number two, we have Heron drones in the sky. We have more drones in the sky than Chinese have CCTV cameras there. We know each and everything that is happening. We have UAVs, we have satellites, we have every single thing. So, I do not know whether your source is genuine or not. I do not know whether this newspaper is quoting a genuine report or not. Because if it is, ma'am, please allow me. Ma'am, if you're going to hector in between, then we can't have a conversation. Yes. All right. Ma'am, it could be any paper, but I don't believe in this paper. Even if this paper says there are cameras, I want to ask you one question. Just say yes or no. Have they put up those cameras inside India or inside China?
She doesn't know.
Around the LAC, Major. Around the
Around
LAC.
the
So
LAC
it is not
side.
India, it is not
No,
China.
on the Chinese
No,
side
ma'am.
or the Indian side?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. That is not your question.
Half
ma'am.
information
My
is
question
dangerous. See, there you got
Ma'am,
trapped again.
Ma'am, my question is,
It's not a question.
ma'am, my
Half
question is,
information.
are those cameras inside
It is
India or China?
around the
No. I
LAC.
think the
So
point
far,
you
the
make is,
fact
Saira,
that
thank
he
you.
was
Saira, thank you very much. You see the point, Saira, thank you. It was a good second shot. You see, Manaswi, just to take this forward, you know what, it's so easy and it's so deceptive. If you were to, Manaswi, take a list of
There are two lines.
just 1 minute, please,
and both are
if you were to take a little bit of the Chinese arsenal, get some details,
the talk.
and put out the details of the Chinese arsenal on the Chinese side, and put out a very threatening headline, and then go on to claim that this shows India's surrender, it is the greatest falsehood. It is even worse than the Congress party putting out videos of a man claiming he's a local man from Ladakh speaking about the ground reality that China has encroached Indian territory. And on 3rd July, it was discovered that the man features somebody who's the working president of the district Congress units, Youth Congress of the Leh unit. You see, we generally noticed all of this, Manasvi, last 1 month. But we said, forget it, we showed. But when things went overboard, we showed you the spectral images which proved that China had retreated. You still did not believe it. So I need to ask you this. In the cost-benefit analysis, tell me, what are you gaining? What is the lobby getting? We asked this question at our 7 o'clock show as well, a little bit more aggressively. What are you getting? What does tell me, sir, all of you, what do you get from the Chinese or anywhere? What is your vested interest? What are you gaining? Is it all emerging from a Modi hate, or is it something else?
Our equation with China has never been hostile. That means the BJP has
she
failed.
wants us to turn into a dove with China.
The BJP has failed in parameters.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we went to war with China twice, ma'am. Ma'am, just for your information, we went to war with China in 62 and 67, ma'am.
Saira,
ma'am, please don't
Saira, I think you deserve the award for the second most absurd statement. The second most absurd statement. 1 minute. The second most absurd statement in the history of independent India, after someone close to Sanjay Gandhi said that universities in India did not even know that there was an emergency. This is the second most absurd statement since 1947, that we have never had a hostile relationship with China. It takes the cake. Thank you. On the debate now, Pradeep Bhandari, on the intentions of the lobby with Iftikhar Misgar, please. Yes, Pradeep.
60 years of Indian history.
Arnab, I would like to say that I have a concern, Arnab. The concern is that why is this lobby consciously taking always a line which suits the enemy country? Now look at the trend. Whether it is Balakot airstrike, the lobby questioned the army. Whether it was when Captain Abhinandan was there, the lobby questioned the army. Whether it was Doklam, the lobby questioned the army. And right now in Galwan also, the lobby is questioning the army and believing the Chinese. We need a deep investigation in the funds where the lobby is getting. And this lobby has to be booked, Arnab, because this lobby is against the interest of the country. And I want to ask Manasvi, that isn't this the time right now? The lobby needs to apologize to the people of India. And as Saira has exposed her loyalties towards the Chinese by not calling China an enemy country and saying that we've never been hostile to China, I think this clearly exposes the lobby's agenda, Arnab. And the promoter of the lobby, Rahul Gandhi, does not attend a single defense committee meeting, has the lowest attendance in the parliament. I think this lobby needs to apologize to the people of this country.
No, one second. Manasvi, the people of India have rejected this lobby. I think the lobby should fold up. What do you think? I think it should fold up. This lobby put out a headline saying China trade ban will hurt India more.
This is the time to celebrate.
No. Don't give me a sagacious remark, please. Please respond. I know what you people have been up to for the last 2 months. Don't try and change your line. You chameleon-like response.
This is the time to
chameleon-like response. I will change my colors this evening for this evening and do a strategic retreat will not work. I remember what you've been saying for the last 1 month.
Sun Tzu, deception.
Yeah, so I just have a pointed question to the BJP spokesperson, whoever is there. So he may just answer me one thing, that why don't we have a proper line of communication during the testing times? The Prime Minister
proper line of communication we've had completely. We've had a complete proper line of communication. We've had a proper line of communication. The lobby went on and said that India has been caught napping and China has entrenched itself. Who said that? Who said Chinese army entrenched itself, India caught napping? Who said that? I said it or you said it? Lobby said it? No, who said it?
On your lobby point.
No, who said it? Yeah, lobby.
Okay, so
who
on
said
your
it?
lobby point. Now you have
Savio is on the debate with you. Savio.
No, you have asked
who
me,
said
can I
it?
speak something? So if the lobby
who said it?
If they are
who said it? 1 minute.
All the way from the Congress.
If the lobby said something, why
starting all the way from the Congress is that they only lie.
If they are spreading
They're only told China is lying. That is the problem with this lobby.
Sir,
the lobby does not think about India.
If they are lying in such testing times, why don't we file a FIR against them? Why don't we file FIR against them? Tell the BJP spokesperson, whoever is there, why don't we file a FIR against them?
It only does
Savio.
lying. They're like China
Sir, if
Hakka
someone is
noodles.
spreading
That's what
fake
they are.
news in such
They should be
testing
called
times,
China Hakka
such
noodles.
wrong news, sir, in
You
such
are nothing
testing
but
times,
Chinese Hakka
which is
noodles.
worrying for this nation. Why is the people in power don't file a FIR?
You see, a certain...
Why can, sir, such fake news spread in testing times? Why don't we file
No.
a FIR? Why don't we less this
The
in
question
one
is the
stroke?
motivation. Thank you.
Why do we let such fake news
Manaswi, I tell you one thing. Manaswi, this is, Manaswi, a slightly broader point, which maybe Abhijit can elaborate on, Pradeep and all can take up. Have you ever wondered why a group of 30 merchants sitting in a dingy room in London were able to take over our beloved country? Exactly for this reason.
Yes.
Exactly for this reason. Because there were enough Mir Jafars within.
No.
No. What do you mean yes and no? Abhijit is on the debate with Abhijit.
Across the board.
Abhijit is debating with... Sorry.
British East India Company.
Like
Abhijit.
Ghazni, Ghori, the Khiljis, the Tughlaqs, all of them, they came here. Why? Because we were disunited. We are our own biggest enemies. We don't need foreigners to come conquer us. Right? We keep hurting each other. We keep undermining each other. You know, there's that famous joke of the crabs from India not requiring to be covered because Indian crabs are the only one. When every other crab is trying to escape,
who created those
our
enemies?
crabs are the only one that
party. Who created those enemies? You people are not ready to accept the opposition. You people consider opposition as a lobby.
No.
You have named them as a lobby, as an anti-Indians.
You aren't an opposition, you're a joke.
Wants to open your eyes.
Iftikhar, it's a very sad day for you. I'll tell you why. I'll get you on the debate with Gaurav. It's a very sad day for you because you are among those Kashmiris. You are among those Kashmiris, Iftikhar. Gaurav, there were some Kashmiris who were on the side of China in the last 2 months. 1 minute, not all. I said some.
Who doubted your
I said
pictures?
some. I said
When
some.
I told you that,
I said some.
when
They showed
I
their
was
true
in
colors.
discussion with Gaurav Ali, I told him that,
Viewers, I tell you
we
one
have a
thing.
problem
There were
in
some
Ladakh,
Kashmiris.
we have a problem
There were
in
some
lots of
Kashmiris
places.
who were on
You
the
people were
side.
showing the-
There were
that
some
time you people were
Kashmiris who were
showing
on the
the
side of
satellite
China in the last 2 months.
people were putting
And
up
some of
behind,
those Kashmiris said, well
blanket
served
on
to
your
India. They removed 370. They made Ladakh an independent union territory. They took away our flag. They took away our 370, our 35A. I think India deserves it. And China should give it to India. And that is our way of extracting sweet revenge. Gaurav, it gives me great sadness to say that Iftikhar was one of those Kashmiris.
Ready to accept that China is
Iftikhar was one of those Kashmiris. And Iftikhar, today you have lost. Iftikhar, were you not on China's side for the last 1 month? Were you not on China's side? Speak the truth, man. Don't be a dishonest man on television. Were you not on China's side? Were you not on China's side for the last 1 month? Are you not among those Kashmiris who avowedly took a pro-China position for the last 1 month? You anti-national.
China now compromised on what?
Compromise, we push them back. Why are you in mourning, bhai? Why are you in mourning? Aap kyun matam mana rahe?
Let me tell you one thing. Iftikhar Misgar, please don't keep on talking. Listen to others also. Please have patience. Please have patience, sir. Listen to others.
No, they will
listen to others. Don't keep talking. Take some time to breathe. Relax. Now listen to me. Iftikhar, now the Chinese, listen to me. The Chinese are going back, and the Chinese have admitted. The Chinese have admitted that they're going back. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has said they're going back. The Global Times has said they're going back. The joint statement between the Indian Ministry of External Affairs and the Chinese Ministry of External Affairs says that they are going back. Now, your entire plan of celebrating this because of 370 and 35A, it is flopped.
Because you people have...
It is flopped, Iftikhar. It's gone. It's gone with the wind, if I may say so. It's gone with the wind. It's gone.
What is wrong?
You cannot celebrate any longer. There were so many people who were saying. There were so many people who were saying that, जी Ladakh चला गया, जी ज़मीन हड़प ली, 35 से हटाया है, अच्छा हुआ लद्दाख चीन आया है, ये सब ने बोला. अब सुनो, अब चीन चला गया वापस. अब चीन चला गया वापस. Iftikhar Misgar. China is going back It has left, and the remnants will go back in the next 1 week. Now, please tell me. Now, please tell me. Please tell me, Iftikhar Misgar, what will happen to your celebrations?
What will happen
How
to you?
will you celebrate? China has gone.
The China, just 1 minute. Iftikhar, just to put it across, 1 minute. Iftikhar, listen to me. Iftikhar, listen to me. Iftikhar, listen to me.
Our place is gone, our state is gone, हमारे ज़मीन जा रहा है.
Very sad for you, man. You are one of those Kashmiris who should be picked up and thrown out into Pakistan without a
Which planet do you live on, Iftikhar?
He was fighting on China's side, Gaurav. Iftikhar was fighting on China's side for the last 1 month. पिछले 1 महीने से he's been hoping.
Going back further, 2 kilometers.
From where? From the land which they occupied during this.
The Chinese, I explained it. Iftikhar, it's very difficult for a person, to explain to a person who has no knowledge about these matters. It's very difficult. It's very challenging. It's like speaking to a slow student. Okay, let me explain to you again. Okay, Iftikhar, listen. I know you're slow. Now listen to me, Iftikhar. Basically, what has happened, Iftikhar, is that the Chinese came to the agreed petrol point. They were supposed to go from the edge of the petrol point back. They stayed on their side. Listen, Iftikhar, they stayed on their side and they kept on staying there. They camped there, which was the bone of contention.
I want to ask you, Iftikhar, one small question. Gaurav, because I need to move to the next debate. Iftikhar, just one last question.
To you slowly,
One last question, and this goes to Iftikhar. Iftikhar, see, listen. Last 1 month, you've been hoping, and don't stop me respond only when I finish. Last 1 month, you have been hoping that China will take revenge on your behalf for the abrogation of Article 370 and 35.
Come on, Arnab,
I tell you one thing. Let me. Don't. Wait, no. I have not finished. But I have not finished. After I finish, I said, that's not my question. That's not my question. Don't shout. That's not my question. My question to you is not that. My question to you is this. My question is this. My question is not that. I am not asking that question. I am asking another question. My question is something else. My question is, Iftikhar, I don't want to waste time because I've got another debate after this and people are waiting for the next debate as well. My only question to you is, I want to hear from your mouth your views on the torture of Muslims in Xinjiang, on the sterilization of Muslim women, and the fact that in China, in Xinjiang, if you are a Muslim, you are told that you'd be put in a concentration camp-like situation and given food once a day. I want to know how you can support a country like that.
Who supported them?
Good.
Who supported them?
Don't. Understand that? That's your lesson for today. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't you dare next time on. And viewers, thank you. Don't you dare take China's side, Iftikhar.
We never took the Chinese side.
You have been indirectly taking China's side. You are. Many people have not, but you have. You've been hoping that China will take revenge for 370. China is not on your side. If this is your country, swear your loyalty to it.